Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I'm here at our paint shop. This is a paint shop that's been doing paint for many years and doing paint for us for many years. And I wanted to bring you in here and show you a little bit of the process of the paint. So what we've got here is one of our units. It's a custom paint job that a customer has desired. And what happens is they bring our units in and they sand out all the units so the paint sticks very nicely. Then what they do is they paint it all one color. They put a mask on it and they paint it the rest of the color. Then they put a clear coat on, sand that clear coat, make it nice and shiny. They put another clear coat on, so you're getting two clear coats, and they sand and buff that clear coat so it's nice and beautiful. So hey, give us a call, you ask us some questions. 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxeelite.com. You have a great and wonderful day.